Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School ke skul Ri Bhoi ke bala mihkhmat ya ke Jylla ha ke U-15 International Subroto Cup arajar arpasau ha Bangalore ke Rung syaka final bat kata ke hadien bekalala ban pynliem no ya ke Bangladesh da la ke wei ha ke jingiakhun semi final ke bala long minta sngi ha Bangalore. Ha ke jingiakhun semi final ke bala long minta sngi ke Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School ke yo nyngkong ban pynkhihjar ke bala wan ha ke dur jong ke penalti ya ke bala thep du Marc R Marak ubala thep ha ke minit balai pun riu jong ke jingiakhun katba ke Bangladesh ke lala ban pynphai du Nafid ha ke minit ke basau pulai jong ke jingiakhun. Haba bteng ke kylla miet jong ke jingiakhun ke Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School ke ñion bat ha ke minit basan pupra ke yo ban thep kul ya ke bala thep du Namebanlam Nongkseh.
Occasion, but gets a goal kick here. Good heading ability shown by both the teams, and could this be the chance? And yes, it is. Goal from Meghalaya team, and they have taken the lead into this match. What an incredible display of skill by the team from Meghalaya. Taking control of the proceedings there by the goalkeeper of Meghalaya. Taken a blow on the face there by the Bangladesh player. It seems to be some sort of sentiment towards the referee here, but the Meghalayan team now taking a free kick. They are playing right to left on this occasion in the green jersey. Their captain, jersey number 3, is now taking this free kick, put it into the goal and collected calmly by the goalkeeper, who is trying to take now attack to the opposition by playing the ball forward and looking for the only Bangladesh player who was present at the far side of this field, the jersey number 13 of Bangladesh. These two extremely of the proceedings, calm some nerves, let the players have a breath, and he shoots the ball forward. And that's the final whistle. We have our finalists for this under-15 sub-junior boys category. The team from Meghalaya have made their way into the finals of Subroto Cup International Football Tournament. This team from Meghalaya, they took the early lead in the match when they were 1-0 up, courtesy a penalty stroke awarded to them against the offense by the Bangladeshi team. And